Well, I feel like this is all the way to start this video, but to get right to it. So last night while driving, well, not last night, the night before, because I haven't really touched the car since, I was driving home from Austin INFINITI right after my last video, and 5 minutes from home, my car started sounding like a Subaru. I got a check engine light. One bank is really rich, and I get a code for cylinder 6 misfire. So I lost an injector last night. It's stuck open. So I know you guys in the VR30 community know about this. Maybe you don't. But the stock injectors on this platform aren't that great. But you know, they tend to fail more often once you go on E85. So what we're gonna do today is take apart the intercoolers, manifold, plenum, and we're gonna get to the fuel rail, bank 2, cylinder 6, which should be the passenger side all the way in the back. So I'm gonna start, this seems like a pretty fun task to do today, but I'm gonna start taking this whole thing apart. I'm gonna leave the camera recording for you guys. I'm not gonna say a whole lot. I'm just gonna probably speed up the video a little bit and let you guys see what the process is like of taking this whole thing apart just to get to the injector. So I think I have every tool that I need here. You can do it with basic hand tools. It doesn't take a whole lot, but I am gonna have to crack the fuel pressure. Now the car hasn't been started in about a day and a half, so there shouldn't be a whole lot of pressure in the line. I'm just gonna crack the pressure. I'm not even gonna bother relieving the pressure elsewhere and that kind of thing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll, resume talking once we get everything off of the, that I need to take off. So once again, what I'm gonna be taking off is the intercoolers have to come off, throttle bodies have to come off, manifold has to come off, the lower plenum has to come off just to get to the fuel rails, which you might be able to see right down in there. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to this. I don't think anybody does look forward to this. So yeah, guys, let me know how you guys like this video, and I'll be sure to answer your questions, at least most of your questions that you will have at the end of this video. But like as I already said, the injectors tend to go out anytime you go on E85, and it's a crapshoot. It's hit or miss. There's people who haven't had a single injector go out. There's people who had one go out, then another one, and it's just an effect. So if this continues to be a thing, these injectors are not cheap by any means. They're about 170 bucks a pop. It's time to go to the Nostrum Energy VR30 upgraded injectors. Not only because they allow you to make more power, but they're, from a reliability standpoint, they sound like they're going to be a whole lot better than the stock ones. The stock ones have had an issue, even on 93 pump gas or even stock cars, they just stick open and they cause a whole mess to, have to be done. And it's about, if you go to the dealership, you got to pay out of pocket. This is about probably close to $1,000 worth of labor that I'm about to do on this car. So I wouldn't recommend this if you don't know what you're doing. Me personally, I don't know 100% what I'm doing, but I've tore this car apart enough that I'm feeling confident enough that taking this whole thing apart, I should be okay. But nonetheless, guys, be careful if you try this at home. And yeah, let's get straight to it.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
everybody, so we're almost there. As you can see, the upper manifold or plenum, whatever you want to call it, is off. Lower plenum is somewhere over there, and here are my heads right on this side, each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, make sure there's no debris going down there, and we're gonna get ready to take off the at the high pressure fuel pump. I'm gonna go ahead and release the fuel pressure here. The car's been down, so I'm assuming some fuel is gonna come out. I don't know exactly how much, but we will see. About to pop the garage door open, and I got to disconnect both of the injector rails here, the feed line going to the injector rails. These are all 19 millimeters open wrench. I cannot find my 19 millimeters, so I got a 3/4 that should fit. But yeah, I have a mess here. I don't have a tool chest or anything, but that's a whole other discussion. We're gonna go ahead and tape these off, and yeah, let's get cracking on this. And here is what that would have been tragic if that would have fell in my goddamn motor. Oh my god, that's from my intercoolers. Yeah, that would have been bad. Let's take these off before I forget. Hey guys, sorry about that. My camera died right as I was about to take the injector rail out. So I only had one step. I took off the injector harness, the rail harness, the main harness, which is at the back of the bank there. So took that off, got the injector rail off, and then I took off the injector that was the issue, injector number 6. It was definitely a different color compared to the other injectors at the bottom. It was a lot cleaner per se, but it was also, the tip was very burnt out and dry, as opposed to the other ones were actually wet and actually darker, which is a good thing. I know, kind of vice versa, but either way, we're gonna get the new injector in early next week and go from there. So I'm just gonna cap everything off, make sure nothing is gonna fall off my car here. My GoPro's about to die again. I don't think I charged my batteries, but every time we get close to running the car 100%, something always happens. But hey guys, that's just comes with the territory, I guess. So hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Come on guys, watch them videos. I have a lot of VR30 content on this channel, so I'd appreciate it if you guys want to go ahead and scroll through all the rest of the videos I have on the channel and enjoy. If you have any questions, as always, comment below or message me on Instagram, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching.